Today, I will explain how to create your own Flash USDT tokens on the ERC20 network using AI-generated code. I asked AI to create a smart contract that would allow me to generate Flash USDT. At first, the code did not work, and I faced several issues. However, after making some adjustments, I was finally able to get a working version. I have linked the final working smart contract code in the description. These Flash tokens will stay in your wallet for 3 months. You can use these Flash tokens on gambling websites. You can upload these tokens to stake and use them to play with bets. Now let's go through the crafting process. To create the Flash USDT, you must deposit 0.05 Ethereum to get 50,000 Flash USDT. Let's get started. Open Remix Ethereum IDE and create a new file named usdt.sol. Paste the code from the video description into the file. Next, go to the Solidity compiler tab. Select version 0.6.6. Then click Compile. If the compilation is successful, you will see a green check mark. Next, go to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab. In the Environment section, select Browser Extension, then choose Injected Provider, MetaMask. Connect your MetaMask wallet. Your wallet balance should appear, confirming that everything is connected properly. Now scroll down and fill in the token details. Enter the token name as Tether and the token symbol as USDT. Finally, click Transact. In the gas fee field, round the amount up to the nearest whole number. The first transaction will usually cost around $2 to $3, depending on network traffic. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. Wait a few moments for the transaction to be completed. Once the smart contract is successfully created, go to the Deployed Contracts section. Copy the contract address. Now we need to fund the contract. Send the required amount of ETH from your wallet to the contract address. Remember, the minimum deposit is 0.05 Ethereum. Follow the required steps to complete the transaction. After funding, return to Remix. Once your balance appears, click Start. Enter the max fee again and confirm the transaction. This will begin the token creation process. After the transaction is completed, click Withdraw to send the Flash USDT to your wallet. Enter the max fee once more and confirm the transaction. This will begin the process of withdrawing the tokens to your wallet. Once the process is complete, you will see 2 green check marks, which confirm that everything was successful. Wait a few minutes. Check your MetaMask wallet. If everything is done correctly, you'll see 50,000 Flash USDT in your MetaMask wallet. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Telegram. Good luck with your token creation.